Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's Supreme Guru and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some hints, tips, tricks, hacks, whatever you want to call them, for Instagram. If you're new to Instagram and you're not quite sure on how to make your stories stand out from the crowd, stand out from your friends, then I have a few tips for you. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start in with the first tip. So I'm going to load up my Instagram, okay? And then what I'm going to do is just scroll back to the option for my story. And I'm going to add something to my story. So I'm just going to hold that in and I'm going to put add to your story. Okay, so now what we want to do is take a picture or upload a picture that we're wanting to put up to Instagram. I'm just going to take a picture here and let you see this little tip. So this tip is called rainbow text. If you haven't heard of it, brilliant, I'm going to tell you about it now. If you have heard of it and you're not quite sure on how to do it, then again, watch this video because it's very easy to do. What we want to do, so I'm going to take a picture, okay, and then I'm going to add text. So I'm just going to put in, hey, YouTube. Okay, so now whenever we've got the text, what we need to do is hold in anywhere on your text, and I'm going to tap select all. So that's selecting all of our text there, okay? Now down here is a color board option, but you can get more options for colors. So I'm just going to click on the purple, but you can click on any of these colors. Just hold it in, and whenever you hold it in, you can see obviously that you've got more of a colored board there. As I move my finger along the color board, I also want to move this blue slider along at the same time with it. So here we go. And there you can see that you have some rainbow text. Now, like I said, this took me a few times to get into the swing of it, but this will make your stories stand out a wee bit more. So that is the first tip, guys, rainbow text. The second tip that I want to show you is the zooming in and out. A lot of people think that you have to use two hands or two fingers, whatever, to zoom in and out. You don't. So I'm just going to hold in this circle button, which will start a video, and just watch what I do with my finger to zoom in and out. So here we go. Hold in, zoom in, zoom out. So you just move your finger up and down the screen to zoom in and out, and that will zoom in and out for you. So that's just a handy little tip for you guys. So the next tip is muting your story. So say for example there is someone on here that you wanted to mute. I don't need to mute anyone on here, but I know that we get people on there that maybe post too many stories all the time, or maybe you're just not as interested in their stories. Whatever your reason is, I don't need to know. But all you have to do is hold in on the person's profile and you can hit mute. Now whenever you hit mute, it gives you an option to mute the story or mute story and posts. So that's how you mute someone's Instagram stories. Okay guys, so the next thing that I'm going to show you is the filters option. Now a lot of people think that the filters that they have shown up on Instagram are the only filters that you can pick. This is not the case. So whenever you've got a picture, hit the next button, and as you can see, yes, we've got all our standard filters here. But if we slide right across, we can hit manage. Whenever we hit manage, you can see that there's so many other options for filters for you to use. That is a quick and handy tip. So that is tip number 4. So whenever you've selected those, hit the done button, done, and now you can see I've got so many more options for filters. Guys, thank you for tuning in to my video. I hope this helped some of you guys and girls out there. Thanks again for tuning in and subscribing to my videos. Until next time guys, peace and stay safe.